Everybody get your fucking hands up.
Okay, this video is about MDM, Mobile Device Management. So this Mdm Bypass is not only for iPhone, iPad, also supported for iPhones. All iPhones and iPads, as long the device is MDM locked, so you can follow this procedure. And one more, this solution is not free. This solution is paid, but 100% working. This one 100% guarantee. Okay, let's start. So first, you need to download two software. Trio tools. We need this tool, the Trio tools, because we need to restore the iPhone or iPads. Clean restore. And then the software for bypass, mdmbypass.com. So this server is 100% legit. Okay? So first we need to get the serial number or UDID number. So you can get the software below. For this one, if you using Windows, so we have two options here, 32-bit and 64-bit. My Windows I using the 64-bit, so I download this one. So I have already. So if you extract the software, is something like this. Berat. Okay. If you have iPhones, download this one. This one compatible with Windows 32 and 64 already. If you have the iPads, so you can choose these two. And then, how to get the serial number and UDID. First, you need to download the Trio tools and install. If you install, the Trio tools is here already. And one more, you need to install iTunes also for the driver. Or you can get the serial number and UDID using Berat. This one no need jailbreak. Jailbreak not required for this software. Okay. First, you can get the serial number here. Serial number and then the UDID. On the Berat software, you can get also here. This one, the UDID and the serial number. So for example, I get this serial number, copy, and then go to website. Very easy. You need to register your serial number first. Just paste the serial number here and then go to PayPal. As long you pay this one, automatically your serial number or UDID number are registered already. And then the main purpose for this registration, for example, accidentally you restore the iPads or iPhones, one-time payment only. As long your serial number is registered, you can use this software unlimited for one iPhones or one iPads only, for one serial, for one UDID. Okay, per serial number 20 USD. So mine I registered already. After registered, so we need to close this one first. We need to clean restore first the iPhone or iPads. These tools is supported iOS 12 up to 15. So we need to flash this one, clean restore first. So first, go to toolbox and enter the iPad into recovery mode. So we have the test unit here, the iPad 5th generation. Here you go. Recovery mode already, and then go to flash. Quick flash mode. Okay? And then the software I downloaded already. If you don't if you not downloaded, we have the download button here. Just download, and then after that just flash. Okay, now the restore is done. Let me tell you about this tool first before we proceed to bypass. So these tools have the 24/7 available WhatsApp support. Easy to communicate to this software developer. Just go to this WhatsApp button and continue to chat. They answer what question you like to know if you have some trouble. Easy to communicate to this support, and easy to get there to get them some more. Okay, so we have the tools already. I downloaded already, so the tool is here. So we need to minimize this one, and then we need to wait the iPads or iPhones into or on the you need to wait until the home screen come out, or totally the selection country or what, etc. We need to wait. Okay. Now the iPad is totally on. Now it's time to open the bypass tools, the Berat tools. Now that the device is connected, the UDID info is there, the serial number is there. So we have the video instruction here. iCloud bypass service, and then the WhatsApp support. So if you hit this one, you go to directly to WhatsApp. Okay, now proceed to iPad. Let's select English, and then let me choose my region, Philippines. This one, the latest version, iOS 15.2.1. Then connect Wi-Fi. Wait until the MDM message come out. So here you go, the remote management is there. Now proceed to Mdm Bypass tools, the Berat. This one is very easy, just hit the bypass MDM. Now the bypass is processed already. This one you cannot use if your serial number is not registered. This one $20 but 100% guaranteed. Your money safe. And then 100% your iPhone or iPad's MDM lock gone. That's it. Mdm bypass done. So we need to wait until the iPad totally on. This tool, the support is very good. They do also the remote if you don't know how to bypass. They do it. Just go to WhatsApp support and then sit down and relax. They can do for you via remote. And then this tools very easy to use, friendly use. The iPad totally on. There you go. Continue. Set up touch ID later. Don't use. Passcode. Don't use. Forgot. Set up later. Don't use. Continue. Enable. Set up later. Set up later. Don't share. Continue. Get started. So that's it. Let me show you the version. We have iOS 15.2.1, the latest version. MDM. Now you can put your own account, but if you restore the original account came back, but no need to worry, You can bypass again, no need to pay as long your serial number is registered. Okay? Let me change the wallpaper first. So this one is untethered. So you no need to worry about on and off. Let me try. Let me off and on. This tool is very powerful. This tool is very good. 100%. Because now iOS 15 cannot hit anymore. We cannot do this one for free. The old method for free, iOS 14, no more already. Done. Let me open the windows. So activated already. Now we can use our iPad or iPhones as a normal. And then that's it. See you on next video about MDM. Thank you. Bye bye.
Everybody get your fucking hands up.